Today, we celebrate the life of Presley Choneyagae, a South African actor whose compelling performances brought global attention to South African cinema. Born on October 19, 1984 in Mafeking, Northwest Province, Presley was named after his mother's favorite singer, Elvis Presley. Growing up during the final years of apartheid, he experienced firsthand the challenges of township life. His mother, Agnes Kiagile, a police officer, recognized his passion for performance early on and enrolled him in the acting classes to stay him away from the hardships surrounding them. By age 14, he was studying under renowned playwright Mpumelelo Paul Grootboom, participating in various stage productions, including Shakespearean plays like Hamlet and Midsummer Night's Dream. So Presley's film debuts came with the 2005 drama uTsotsi, directed by Gavin Hood and based on Ethel Fugadi's novel, portraying a young gang leader who undergoes a profound transformation after discovering a baby in a stolen car. His performance was lauded for its depth and authenticity. The film won the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film in 2006, making a significant milestone for South African cinema. In 2018, Presley took on the role of Thuso Cobra Mokoena in the popular South African telenovela The River. His portrayal of Cobra, a character grappling with personal and societal challenges, resonated with audiences, earning him a Golden Horn Award at the South African Film and Television Awards, SAFTAs. The character's popularity led to a spin-off series titled Cobrizzi, which premiered in March 2025. Beyond screen acting, Presley co-wrote and starred in the play Relatively Township Stories alongside Mpumelelo Paul Grootboom. Premiering at the 2005 Grahamstown Festival, the play delved into the complexities of township life and the psyche of a serial killer, showcasing Presley's versatility and commitment to storytelling. Passionate about uplifting underprivileged communities, Presley founded the Presley Choneyagae Foundation. The organization aimed to empower youth through performing arts, offering workshops and mentorship programs in rural areas across South Africa. Throughout his career, Presley received numerous accolades, including Black Movie Award for Outstanding Performance by an Actor in a Leading Role, Golden Horn Award at the SAFTAs for his role in Tsotsi and The River. On May 27, 2025, Presley Choneyagae passed away at the age of 40 due to respiratory complications. His death was mourned nationwide, with tribute highlighting his contributions to the arts and his role in bringing South African stories to the global stage. Presley Choneyagae's journey from township stages to international acclaims serves as an inspiration to many. His dedication to authentic storytelling and community uplifting leaves an indelible mark on South African culture and the global arts. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you in the next video.